Grab a small pan and fill it with hot water. You are going to boil this water on the stove. It usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, but once the water is boiling, remove the pot from the range. Grab your Jamaican black castor oil. On the back, it says 15 minutes for a hot oil treatment. So we are going to place the oil in the hot pot for about 3 to 5 minutes or until it gets to a temperature in which you can withstand. Apply the hot oil directly to your scalp by using clips or a comb to part your hair. The point of the treatment is to add moisture to dry scalp. It will eventually get on the rest of your hair, and that's fine. Once the oil is applied completely to the scalp, massage the scalp in circular motion. This helps with the circulation of the hot oil through your pores. This is very important. Next, grab a shower cap, place it over your head. Make sure all your hair is stuffed up under. Grab a towel that is big enough to wrap around your head. We are going to use this towel as a steamer. Think of it as a facial for your scalp. A lot of people don't have steamers at home, so this is a good alternative. Place the towel in the microwave. The time may vary, but you want to make sure that the towel gets very hot. My microwave took about 1 minute. The towel should have steam coming from it when you remove it from the microwave. You are going to place this towel around your head. The steam is going to help the hot oil treatment penetrate through the scalp. If you have a hood dryer, you can do that option as well, but the steam helps open your pores better. The directions on the Jamaican black castor oil said 15 minutes. However, I usually leave mine on until my towel is no longer warm. And depending on your scalp issues, you may need to leave it on longer, and that's fine. After you're done, just start your normal shampoo regimen.